making this video because I've had the same issue in the past, and I'm sure plenty of you have too. I got home and I went to go get on my laptop and it wouldn't come on. Well, what you have to do is unplug your MacBook Pro. This is for a MacBook Pro 2012. I don't know if it works for other models, but you can give it a try. And hold down the power button for 10 seconds with the power unplugged. As you're holding it, plug it back in and it should boot back up. If it doesn't, try again, or if it doesn't, it might be another issue. I've had an issue with the battery actually needing a reset and having to bring it to the Apple Store, which they do it for free, which is amazing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.